Hey guys, not exactly sure how to go about saying this. I've got a few little notes, so please apologize if I look down because it's not super practiced either. But I just saw a whole parade go by, wishing Tam Tam an adios, and I was felt kind of moved like I had to just say something really quick. I want to let you know that I feel like we've all been robbed. We lost out on some things we should have shared together, like prom, graduation, convocation, your locker clean out day, and your sign out sheets, and all the excitement that goes along with the end of the school year is just kind of gone. And it's different, but we're not done. We're not done. I mean, we still have time and video conferencing. We still have time to do some work and exchange emails, and it's different, but it's not done. And I have to admit that I feel empty. I feel like many of you I've talked to online and through emails and through our chat rooms and our video conferences that, we feel angry, we feel sad, we feel frustrated. Mostly we feel empty. It's just not right. It wasn't supposed to end this way. And even though it's different, like I said, we're not done. And I feel myself that you are that class that's just going to slip away. And that's not right. I wanted a chance to see you dressed up at prom and to be able to hang out with you and, tell you how proud I was of your accomplishments and all those things. And that's probably not going to happen. And it hurts. And I know it hurts you too. And that's okay to feel hurt. But I keep saying it's different, but we're not done. We have to move on. And I wanted to let you know that even though you're not close physically in the classroom, you're still close to our hearts. You're close to my heart. And I have to let you know that I have had so many good memories working with you over the last year and a half, year and 3/4, that it just really bothers me that I won't have that chance to say, congratulations, you've done well, because you don't know how much you have made an impact on me. And through this situation, not being in that schoolroom with you has reminded me how much I just love the job I do because I get to work with you. My students, you're my kids. And being apart from you like this and not seeing you every day and not having the daily laugh, it really just has robbed me of some enthusiasm. It's robbed me of, I feel empty and it hurts. And I just want you to know that I am so proud of you and I care about you. And I just don't know really what to say except it's okay, to be frustrated. And I am sad with you as much as I am sad for you. And I hope you know that someday when I see you at Walmart, or I see you at CVS, or I see you at Hy-Vee, and I talk to you a couple minutes longer than you probably want me to, it's going to be because I missed out on this time with you, and I want to know what you're doing. And I'll want to hear your success stories. And I'll want to hear about your sisters or brothers or parents who I know. And the cool things you've done since you've left this school and this experience. So it's different, but we're not done. And we have to move on. So please just finish strong, stay well, stay home, stay safe. because that's what we need to do to make sure that someday we can meet again and really celebrate your accomplishments that you so deserve to celebrate. So that's it, really. For a speech teacher, I'm kind of out of words. I'm sorry for the ums and ands that I put in here. I didn't practice it, but I saw that parade go by and I just decided it shouldn't end this way, and you guys should know that you're all amazing. I respect you and I care for you, and if you ever need any help, you know where I am. So reach out to me at Facebook or email or whatever you need to do, and if I can help you, you know I will. So just stay safe, stay in, and take care.